Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 289, AI Governance Controls. Generative AI features for Power Pages enhance the experience for website users by adding capabilities like intelligent forms, list summarization, search summarization, and a site copilot. However, it's important administrators are able to control how artificial intelligence is used in their organization, especially when it is exposed to the outside world. A new governance setting provides a way to do that. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Within the Power Pages site area in the Power Platform Admin Center, you should see the drop-down for governance controls. One of the options here is Enable Generative AI Usage in Websites. Clicking on this allows you to control whether makers are able to enable generative AI features for site users. Your options are to allow for the features to be enabled for all sites within the tenant, specific sites, all site except specific sites, or no sites. Note that this setting does not affect a maker's ability to use Copilot features when building the site. This is only for capabilities that are exposed to website users. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 289 on AI governance controls useful.